In this section, just we are going to know about the description part. So, what is description actually? See, description normally it's nothing. It describes the uh, content of the web page, or we can say it's a brief of the particular web page, right? Brief information. So, for checking that one again, just so I'll be showing over here. So, suppose this is a search engine result page, right? So here, as you can see, this is the title and this is the description part. So talking about this one, right? So this is called description of the particular web. So when you write your description, right, it should be, a very attractive, because that contents, it attracts the people somewhere. It forces people to click on their link as well. So if your this description part is very attractive, and so somewhere definitely people will click on this, because people, apart from the title, they read the description part also. So it increases the click-through rate. Fine. So for example, again, okay, we'll see over here. So this is a particular web page where content is there, right? And again, for checking the description part, just you can come over here and just go to the view page source. And here just you can see these are the coding part. Again, the same thing you'll have to do, just press Ctrl F and type description. So here, this we can see here, this is the description part, right? This is called description. And here, what's the command for writing the description? It's a meta name description as well. So the same thing you have to do, you'll be writing your description up to 160 characters. So in words, if we'll talk about, so it goes up to 25 to 40 words, right? And here, this will be the part. So like this way, it will be updated in the backend part of the website.